Awesome job setting up your MIDI controller and installing all the software. Now we need to take 2 quick steps and configure Mainstage so that it properly interacts with your device. Step 1. Make sure your controller is turned on and connected via USB.
Go to the File menu, click Mainstage, then Preferences, then Audio.
Select your audio output devices and your audio input devices. Because I am using the YDS-150 as my controller, the correct input device is labeled Digital Saxophone. Select the label that corresponds to your device. If you're using an audio interface, you can select it in the Audio Output tab. In my case, I am choosing Built-in Output because I'm going to use the headphone jack built into my MacBook to play sounds. The final step is to assign your MIDI device to the MIDI port inside of Mainstage. Go to the top left-hand corner and click Layout. Move the mouse down and click on the MIDI keyboard at the bottom of the layout. You will see a box form around the keyboard which highlights it. You will also see the hardware input box on the left-hand side present new options. Click on the Assign button so that you can assign the keyboard to your MIDI controller. Blow into your controller and send a MIDI signal from your device to Mainstage. Mainstage will auto-detect your device and auto-assign it to your MIDI port. In my case, it says Digital Saxophone because that is the name of the YDS-150. The name of your controller will appear in this box. Make sure the MIDI channel for your device is set to 1. You have successfully assigned your MIDI controller to Mainstage's MIDI interface. Everything is set up, my friends, and you're ready to begin expressing new musical possibilities. Go ahead and click the Edit tab to return to the Edit window. Please watch the next video as we show you how to begin performing with NL Boombox.